This new Feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to use rate of work. Rate of work is used to estimate the duration of a task to help compare to the duration set in the schedule. The first objective of this video is to find the duration of the structural columns on the first floor. The second objective is to calculate the structural framing duration to finish the structural columns and framing tasks. Before we jump in, we first need to make sure the results of our work will be visible. The output for rate of work is in the calculated duration column of the 4D simulation schedule. And if this is not immediately visible, adjust what columns are shown with the Edit Columns button. To make it faster to find it, select the Hide All Custom Columns option. To use rate of work, first be sure to fully assign your model to the task in the schedule. Then select the Rate of Work button in the 4D Simulation app. Select Create to make a new entry. Set the classification, value, unit, and rate of work. So for the first objective, let's find the duration of the structural columns on the first floor. If you click on the structural column, you will see in Element Properties that the object is cast in place. Therefore, the unit of measurement will be volume. So in this case, the classification is category. The value is structural columns. The unit will be volume. The actual rate for a concrete pour will vary greatly depending on the project, contractor, and other constraints. In this case, let's put 1.5 cubic meters per hour. Now let's press Calculate to show the calculated duration. The duration now appears in the calculated duration column in every task that contains structural column objects. Click the calculator icon to view the rate of work details. So here you will see the classification value, the quantity, the rate, unit, and duration. Now let's continue to add a second calculation to show how the duration is adjusted when multiple objects are in the same task. The structural framing will be calculated next to finish the structural columns and framing tasks. The framing will be counted as a precast concrete, so the unit will be by item. So now click Create and set the classification, value, unit, and rate to calculate the duration. So now click Calculate. So the value in the calculated duration column is now the summation of the duration values of the structural columns and structural framing. We can click on the calculator icon to see the details again. Note the differences between the scheduled duration and the calculated duration. This large of a difference indicates that the scheduled duration needs to be adjusted. Thank you for watching the video.